Good morning, ka-dreamers! So where are we going today?
I don't know. Hi.
It's a surprise. Yeah, surprise for Ella.
Aww.
Are you excited, Ella?
I want to play.
And surprise for Kaden as well.
Yay.
Char lang.
Two surprises.
Two surprises. So yan guys. May pupuntahan kami for Ella's assessment. Para sa school niya, and ako after that, papasok na ako. So medyo late tayo
Why
ngayon
you at
papasok sa
school?
work.
We're late.
Not late. We're gonna meet her teacher.
Hey, this is the
Char lang.
first day. This is the first day.
So ngayon lang ulit nakapag-vlog. Medyo busy. Pero yan. Salamat sa mga nag-like, mga bagong subscribers at sa mga nag-like ng videos and yung mga nasa private message. Thank you. What will you say to your ka-dreamers? We're gonna be rich soon. Pretty please. Anak, di ka magiging rich kung ano lang yung subscribers mo.
No, we need more subscribers to be with
Di ask them.
Please like and subscribe or else you will be rich until we get rich. You can like and subscribe more again. Pretty please.
Pretty please. Ayan guys, ang bilis ng araw. Dati baby lang si Ella. Ngayon si Ella na yung mag-school. Nakakaiyak yung bilis ng panahon. Alam mo yon, yung buhat-buhat mo lang siya dati, no? Ngayon, yung baby mo magiging independent na. May backpack na yan, may school na, magbabasa na. Ang bilis. Ang bilis rin tumanda ni Daryl.
Mommy and Emma and me have our own school.
Yeah. How about Daddy? Daddy is not going to school na, no?
Why?
No, he doesn't want to go to school eh.
Because Daddy's not smart. Dad allows us to be smart.
Daddy is not no smart. Oh, wala akong sinabi, Daryl, ah. Yung anak mo lang ang nakakaano.
So that I should teach them how to be
Kaden, what did you ask with Lola Prem pala when we went for the massage? What did you ask her that she can't answer?
I don't know.
You asked her why does our eyes, why do we cry? No, you asked why is there water in our eyes when we cry? Is that your question?
Yes.
Why?
Because I don't know if Laura Prem is smarter than Daddy. Because I have zero IQ.
Hello, zero IQ daw si Daddy. What did Lola Prem? What did Lola Prem say to you? What did Lola Prem answer to your question? Because it's so hard. Your question is so hard, right? Why did you ask that question? I don't know the answer as well. So I have a zero IQ as well.
But I am smart. I am 100 IQ, but I'm not smart enough to answer why.
But Daddy is zero IQ daw.
I want to ask a question.
Okay.
Like a sky so that Daddy can talk with me to be smart.
Oh, like and subscribe daw para yung daddy niya maging smart.
And be rich.
Ay, nako. Grabe yung mga isip ng mga bata ngayon.
This is an important video.
Yep. This is an important video, yeah.
For
Correct.
our subscribers to watch.
Yeah, for all subscribers to watch. Oh guys, narinig nyo daw si Kuya Kaden. And what will you say if they subscribe?
We'll be rich soon.
Are you gonna say thank you, please?
Thank you.
Magiging rich ka ba pag nag-subscribe sila?
Yes. Soon.
Soon? Ayun, 5 minutes away from here. Ito yung pinaka nila, no, main. Parang pinaka main office din nila. So, dati kay Kaden noon nagpunta kami sa St. Timothy lang. Pero ngayon, pupunta ka dun sa main. Tapos, ayun, dun na nila i-assess si Ella. So, free lang yung ano dito. Schooling ng mga elementary and high school. And it's Catholic school dahil nga Katoliko po tayo. Buti na lang maganda yung weather ngayon. Hindi ka pa inaantaw?
Hindi.
Okay, good. Haatid ko naman na kayo tapos ako na yung aalis. Ang bilis ah! Ayaw niya naman pa-store mo ah. So guys, eto, malapit na kami sa school. Ito pala yung swimmingan.
Ito.
Oo. Sandra Schindler. Okay. Maloob no? Malapit na sa airport. Dami pang bakanting lupa dito guys. Pag sa Pilipinas yan, nabili na ng mga ano, pagbabatayuan na ng mga mall, no?
Turn left onto Sandra Schmerler
Bilis
Way.
lang dun eh. Dito. Sandra Schindler.
Continue on Sandra Schmerler Way for 1 kilometer.
Sandra Smith. Smyrla. Ano? Sandra. Schindler Way.
I know that I have you like you.
Uy, don't say that naman, anak.
But I don't know what. I don't know if it's the right choice.
This is our first time going here. Talagang malapit sa airport.
In 400 meters, turn right.
Seryoso, dito talaga. Ah, yun no, may ano flag. Bakit kaya dito napunta si Ella? Airport to, no? No? CBA.
Take the next right, then turn right.
Ah, ito. Ito pala siya, guys. Ang gara. Lapit sa airport. Wow.
This is school in the airport. This is the first time I
Head
see
northwest.
the school in the airport.
Ano doon?
Ito ng institute.
Ah,
Hindi tayo pwede dito.
Your destination is on the right.
katabing-katabi pala siya ng airport, no? Ito yung school.
Tayo sa reading.
So, are you excited? Yes daw. Tara. Ella, you excited? Oh. Nag-ano pa yan? Nag-dress pa yan. At saka, oh, see?
And I love her school.
Yeah.
Because it's so big and it's outside of the airport.
One eternity later.
So, nandito kami ngayon. So comfy, Ella?
Yes.
Ayan, guys. Hintay namin yung assessment for Ella. Are you excited?
Yeah.
How old are you?
Two.
Good job. 3. How to make 3? 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 3. Like this.
Come on. You're good.
3. Ah. 3. Ah. Yeah, hold that. Hold that. And, So, ayan. Tapos na. Pupunta na tayo. Pupunta na ako sa work. So, ayun guys. Good news, bad news. Depende daw kung may spot sa St. Timothy kasi nga priority nila yung mga batang need ng 'di ba? Parang tawag dito kailangang mahasa. Si Ella daw nasagot niya yung mga which is good news naman daw. Hindi, pero ang bad news hindi siya magiging priority dahil nga mas uunahin nila kung sino yung mas
Head northeast.
nangangailangan ng ng speech, ganon.
China Avenue.
So sana katulad din siya ni Kaden noon na di ba? Nagkaroon pa rin ng spot kasi 16 lang at hindi siya pala connected sa Regina Catholic School. Sa education, Ministry of Education siya connected. So hindi nila handle. Sila lang yung nag-a-assess. Pero sa school naman ng Regina Catholic, wala silang tanggap pa rin sila ng tanggap, di ba? Wala siyang, hindi mafu-full ang spot na ganun. So, ayun guys. Okay lang. At least nalaman ko na si Ella is capable. Ready na for, hindi ko, kinder. Ready na for siya for kinder.
Turn left onto Luzon
So, tignan natin kung ano yung pero kung may spot naman sa St. Timothy, consider naman siya kasi yung iba naman ayaw nilang ipasok muna ng 'di ba, yung mga
Pre-K.
ayaw nilang ipasok ng pre-K kasi nga busy yung mga mother and father. Yeah, we're going because I'm going to work. I'm so late na. I told my boss I'm going at 10. Nako, baka 7 na ako makauwi nito.
Pwede na, baba mo na lang.
So, ayun guys. Yun na yung... So, how was your assessment, Ella? How was the teacher?
Good.
Good? The teacher is good? What did the teacher ask you? The teacher asked you if you want to draw. Did you draw? What did you draw? Oh, you draw your name.
Did you
Continue for
spell
7 kilometers.
ELA? Yes.
Nice.
I thought Ella is the best at drawing.
Yeah, Ella is best at drawing. Very good.
No, Ella can draw a car or spell car by C-A-R.
Yeah, correct.
Ella would want a white car. Lots of Ellas.
So, ayun. Yun lang yung sabi. We have good news and bad news. Good news, she knows everything. She's answering with sentences pa daw. Alam niya yung colors, alam niya yung letters. But the bad news is, hindi siya magiging priority sa list. Kung meron man, di ba, sabi nila. Kaya, it's fine naman. Ganun talaga.
Alam mo na daw yung gagawin sa play.
Baka ma-board ka lang. Ready ka na lang sa kinder, Ella. So, yung itong si Kuya naman sa St. Angela. So, ganun lang guys. Ang ganda ng building nila, no? Bagong-bago. Nag-start lang nung summer. Kaya pala, sabi ko, nung nag-email sila na may assessment si Ella, bakit hindi sa St. Timothy? Di ba dati nun video pa?
Oo.
Kay Kayden. Ganun pala ang ginawa. Ano pala siya, personal, tapos pupunta ka mismo dyan sa main nila. Which is, okay, meron palang building dito. Tawa nga siya kasi, oo, bago lang to, sabi niya. Tapos ang sinadjust niya sa amin, may mga tips siya, no? Sabi niya, mag-usap daw ng Tagalog sa bahay para hindi makalimutan ng mga bata pa din ang Tagalog na magiging strong yung nila.
Hindi makalimutan ng
Oo.
native ko.
Yeah, mother tongue.
Mother tongue na naman.
Daddy has, Kayden, how many IQ?
Bully.
Sabi mo sa akin? Bully ako? Ikaw nagsabi nun, wala ako sinabi, tumawa lang ako. So, ayan. Hi's life. Daan mo na doon sa atin sa Teams kasi nangako ako sa mga bata. Carry lang, mag-extend na lang ako hanggang alas 7 or no?
7:30.
Oo. Kasi,
6:30.
oo, ganun.
Makarating ka ng 10:30.
Kasi naman,
6:30.
oo, kasi naman, yan.
Kaysa mag-leave ka, hindi at least
Oo.
nag-extend ka.
At least nakapagtrabaho pa ako.
Mamaya, baka may kailangan yung pang gabi, pang hapon, hindi mo makakausap ka.
Yun. Gagawa pa ako ng letters. So, yun guys. Buti na lang, tawag dito. Okay yung boss ko. Kaya, ayan. Nafulfill ko yung mommy duties. Char. Mommy duties. Oh my God. So, magtatanong yun, how was the assessment? And it's a good news and a bad news. Di daw nila ipra-priority si Ella.
Masyado ka na daw magaling sa mga magklase mo.
Ayun nga eh. Alam nang mag-count, alam na lahat eh. Which is, hindi pa naman play-play lang doon eh. Di ba?
Play isa nga konting sa Tinder pang.
Ang gusto ko ma-socialize. Yun yung point ko. Kasi nga si Ella, medyo, ewan ko, mahiyain sa, ibang tao. Aloof siya sa ibang tao. Pero, oo. Pag may naglalaro na dun, aalis na yan. Mas, pinapamana ni Daddy. Pinapamana ni Daryl is famous kay Ella.